The problem with this Proton car is that when I start the engine, the check engine light stays on. I first turned the ignition key on, and after starting the car's engine, the check engine light stays on. How to reset the check engine light without any special tools? So watch the complete step-by-step video and you will be able to reset the engine light very easily. I turned off the car engine. How do I reset the check engine light? I lifted the front bonnet hood of the car. This car is a Proton Wera 1.5 mmC engine 2001 model. To reset the car's check engine light, first disconnect the negative terminal of the car's battery. I removed the battery negative terminal. Open the battery negative terminal and wait for 15 to 20 seconds. After waiting 15 to 20 seconds, I will now reinstall the negative terminal of the car battery. Now I will attach the negative terminal of the car battery tightly. Make sure that the battery negative terminal is not loose. Completes installation of the battery negative terminal. Now I will get inside the car and start the car engine to check if the check engine light has reset or not. After starting the car engine, check that the check engine light has been reset. Inshallah, the check engine light is no longer on.